Hanongba Shillong kalayo saya kawe ke Jaka di Ar-Shaka ke bathamai jangka company ke bana Japan ke Honda. Yakni ke Jaka di Ar-Shaka Shillong la kerteng ke Honda Shadap ke badan Mawblei ke badai nong di dealer uba bahakupar Shadap la pli yakni menta ke arku arteri ujeliu aja apasau. Kani ke dealership ke baningkong jangka Honda Hanongba Shillong Meghalaya bala pli ke jingdon ringkat Yogesh Mathur, Director Sales and Marketing Honda Motorcycle and Scooter India. Ki hek company ke Honda dealer bat ka long yeng bat kiwe hakani ka company ki don baro saujat ki model ka scooty ka Activa bat dayo ka bashispa shipho cc bat kumju ka Activa bat dayo bashispa arpasan cc kalba ka motorcycle ki don khandai jat ki model nadu ki bashispa shipho cc hadu ki ba arspa cc umathur ulapan pawe ke jingkmen ban yo play kani ka Jaka di Ar-Shaka baningkong jong ka company Honda Hanongba Shillong bat ke dealership ke ba arpasan hakathan shatei lami ngi jongkari India.
First dealership of Meghalaya, Shadap Honda. So congratulations to Shadap. Meghalaya is a very important state for us, and especially in the northeast. We are expanding our footprint, and with our current lineup of the product, we are very much sure that we will be definitely exciting all the customers here. And this is first dealership in Meghalaya and 25th dealership in the northeast of India. So we are starting this journey, and Mr. Shadap is a local person here, and he is a very known businessman, and he has got a lot of good customer base available here in his previous businesses, and we are sure that all the customers of Honda will definitely get a lot of good experience both in sales as well as in the service here, because he is a person who is always keen to provide best of the services to the customers. So along with the quality of the product, the best of the services can also be, derived from the Shadap Honda. So we congratulate him and wish him the wonderful journey ahead. Thank you so much. Dealership, we did not had any previous assignment here. Maybe during previous company of Hero Honda, at that time probably you must have seen it. But as a Honda, this is the first dealership which we have inaugurated today. Northeast is very different market than rest of the Indian market, and the customer like here very attractive kind of a product. And in the current lineup of our all product range, we have enough of the range available which can really excite all the customers here in Shillong and entire Meghalaya. And our expectations is very huge, and certain part of Northeast we are already enjoying almost 50% of the market share. So we are looking forward to have the similar kind of feat here in Meghalaya as well once we are starting today. We said that you're right. People prefer such kind of a good power and pickup vehicle here along with good style. So our lineup is having almost all the range available of our product, and we are sure that once the customer take a ride of these bikes, they will be very much happy in terms of the performance of the vehicle, and we are sure that they will definitely start loving Honda brand. Currently is a very challenging market because as I said, we have only, this is the 25th dealership in Northeast. So geography and topography of this entire state and the country is very different and difficult for us to expand right now. But wherever we have expanded, we have got very good response across all the northeastern state. And this year, we have already increased our market share by around 5% within first 2 months itself. So once the supplies are increased from our side, the acceptability of the product is getting very good, and we are expecting that within this year we will become number one in the entire Northeast. Because wherever we have launched, we have got very good response. Like I said, Manipur, almost having 50%, 44%, 55% market share we already enjoy. So in hill stations, what is more important is in terms of the pickup, the initial pickup and the power of the vehicle, and which is best in the class in the entire range of the product. So we have got 100cc till 1800cc of the product. Currently, Shadap Honda will be delivering till 200cc, from 100cc to 200cc. And this entire portfolio has got very attractive features, which is best in the overall class, along with the best in the mileage also. So not only feature, with the performance, the mileage also plays a big role here because the fuel prices are going to the roof. And within that particular thing, if the mileage is good, performance is good, style is good, I think everything we'll talk about from the test ride which customers will take.
What about the cost? What about the cost? Starting cost of the
Starting cost? So we have got starting cost. Lowest portfolio which we have is for Shine 100, which starts close to around 66,000 some rupees.
Yes.
Exact we will let you know. So this is the starting for motorcycle, and for scooters the starting range is for Dio 110, which will be close to around 70,000 rupees. The exact prices we will be telling it. The on-road prices which will be more important for you to consider and publish.
Kum businessman yang kami bantu dengan Singapore, the ni haban Pedro yang model company Philippines Ibero, Honda one of the number one company in India two-wheelers. Kat kum bising siam juga, the nasiam ki produk jong kiru kilong, namkan dia miki weiru ki mga di, yang kata kilong laga jong internet, laga jong bah, laga jong ka size jong ka scooty, kan ka bike. Sama ngepek pada hadir mengelak simi kan ini siam baru ngitip Honda ke India karya company was di bahai itu las bat kibiriu ki ham jet bahai kam tam lang ngipek Jaka bahasa South Indian ru kisah bah shit kat noru kimjuran kata overheat kin kata kiyai te ngi hasilong ru isangi lah kuala Islam kan ya te hadir bat company ka kamlah ban ai mar wagi bun ki jing check ki be de bat ka mar khamong sutui ke mar one company kham pe che arang islam man rai ka te awi ngandum la man ong bat kon dia mi be mo kan kiri bokoi mar ba kiri jongai bro go ha tanga ngai ba andaru di one of the best ngai kerpan because mar bro kin se ba ban ya le mi kiri production tanga tak wish